So before we touch on Kanye's new look, let's get into the Intense 5. So what you do when your man fills an area on the beach with roses and then proposes? You say yes, of course, and that's just what Kourtney Kardashian did. And since we're on the K topic, Kanye has a new hairstyle. It looks just like his clothes, and we'll just leave it at that. First Lady of Dancehall, D'Angel, says she'd be writing a book titled Exposed. Yeah, why not? Supercat, Conscience, Dexter, Barrington Levy, Cranium, and so much more. Versus a thank you for showcasing our culture in a time like this. Very well needed. What's really going on in Montego Bay? I tell you, real life Netflix. We don't subscribe to those things, so keep those beliefs far, far away. And finally holding the number 1 spot this week. 3 missing girls in 1 week from the same parish. Oh boy, really happy they found 2. Hope the other is returned safely as well. We have to protect our children, full stop. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Yes, we love the excitement, but not this kind. Up next, Mr. Easy, and guess who's back?